If you want to try some of my world famous salsa, and I do mean world famous salsa, then check out this recipe. Come on, let's go. Okay, so for this recipe, it's really simple. We just need, obviously, tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes here, but you can use whatever kind of tomato you want. We're also going to use about 3 cloves of garlic, an onion, some bell pepper. This is all I had. I just had a couple of the yellow baby bells, but you can use, again, any kind of bell pepper you like. The zest as well as juice from a lime, and then some herbs and spices. In here is cinnamon, cumin, paprika, chili powder, and oregano. And that's it. So let's go ahead and get all this diced up, and then we'll move on. Only takes about 30 minutes of your time, and then you end up with about this much. This is I don't know, about a pound and a half of salsa. A nice little sized jar. It'll last us a few days, you know, for like snacks and whatnot. But yeah, you can make it really cheaply. It's really nice. And also, if you've been following the recipes I've been posting, you could also blend in, along with the tomatoes, 1 or 2 chipotle peppers to add some smoky heat if you want it as well. But other than that, if you wanted to do this is a nice mild salsa. And if you want to kick it up a notch, throw in some chipotle peppers. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and until next time, bye!
Hello everybody, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, be sure to hit that like button down below and share it on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, all that different stuff. Don't forget to also leave a comment down below if you're feeling a bit chatty. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. So until next time, bye!